In today's session, we are going to identify whether the given equation is a quadratic equation or not. Hi, I am Syed. Welcome to my channel Educate with Syed. Let's get started. The question is check whether the given equation is a quadratic equation. We need to check whether this given equation is a quadratic equation or not. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to x minus 2 whole square. So we are doing series of videos on this quadratic equation. If you want to see few more examples, you can just watch my previous videos. Let us continue with this problem. To show that this given equation is a quadratic equation, I need to express this given equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, provided that the value of a is not equals to 0. So let us try to simplify this equation. I'll keep this left hand side as it is. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to. Let us try to simplify the right hand side. Right hand side, if we try to observe, the given equation is in the form of a minus of b whole square. So we know the formula of a minus of b whole square. Its formula is a square minus of 2ab plus b square. So we know this formula, right? So let us try to identify over here. The question that is given is x minus of 2 whole square. So let us try to identify over here. So the value of a here is x and the value of b over here is 2. So let us take the value of a to be x here and b to be equals to 2 in this given equation. So therefore it becomes a minus b whole square is a square. So what is a value? X. So x square minus 2 times of a. A value is what? A value is x. 2a into b. What is b value? B value is 2. So we have written 2ab plus b square. So what is the value of b here? B value is 2. So 2 square. So just using the formula of a minus of b whole square, we have got this expression. Now let's try to simplify this one. X square as it is. Let me multiply this. 2 times of 2 will be 4. So we get 4x plus 2 square will be 4. Left hand side value will remain the same. Let me take this right hand side value on the left hand side. So keeping the left hand side value as it is, x square plus 3x plus 1. I am taking this right hand side on the left hand side. What happens to this plus x square? When this plus x square comes on this side, it becomes minus of x square. This minus 4x, when it comes on the left hand side, it becomes plus 4x. And this plus 4 comes on the left hand side, it becomes minus of 4 is equals to, on the right hand side we are left out with 0. Now let us try to group the like terms, but if you try to observe over here, you are having this plus x square and here minus x square. So this plus x square and minus of x square will cancel out, and we'll try to group this 3x and 4x. So we have 3x plus 4x, 3x plus 4x. So if you try to add, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 times of x. So we get 7x. Then you have this 1 over here and minus of 4. So this 1 minus of 4. So 1 minus of 4 will be how much? 3. Because the greater number is having negative sign, it is minus of 3. So 1 minus of 4 will be 3. So we get minus of 3 is equals to 0. So for a quadratic equation, you have to get x square term. But here x square term is missing, right? So if it is a quadratic term, you have to get the expression in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. But here x square term is missing, which means that the value of a in this case is what? A is 0. But the condition is what? For a quadratic equation, a should not be equals to 0, right? But here we are getting a to be 0. So if you want, you can include that one. X square is missing. So can I write that as 0 times of x square? Will it make any difference if I write 0 times of x square? Because 0 into anything will be 0 itself. You will get back 7x minus 3 itself. But what is the value of a you have got? Is the value of a 0 here? So once a becomes 0, the given equation cannot be a quadratic equation. So therefore, what we have got this equation 7x minus 3 is equals to 0 is not a quadratic equation. Therefore, we can say that the given equation is not a quadratic equation. So that's the required solution. Any doubts, any clarification you have? If you have any doubts or clarification, you can just put it in the comment box. For today's session, that's all I have. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.